Obviously got a big crack in it. Almost about to split the frame in two. Started from a very porous MIG weld. So yeah, it's a crack. And then over here, we got another crack going on. This has been repaired multiple times, but keeps cracking. And here we go. Fix that one. It's gonna crack again, but that's the best we can do. And we threw this big ass plate over top of that crack. And then re-welded that rectangular tube back on for support. So here's some pictures. Big ass plate, no more crack.